Hola, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Araceli Ortiz y envío mi actividad. Jack Forrest is one of the most adventurous people from all over the world. In this article, we will take a look at the Job's personal life and extreme adventure. Jack has had several jobs, about 30. Among the most interesting jobs we can include the following. He has been an astronaut, a teacher and dancer. According to Jack, his most recurring job he has been to be a teacher in Africa, Europe, and South America. As for his personal life, we can point out he has and 5 real friends in his life, but he has only been married 11. He has and yet both he has to Jeff 2 daughters. Jack has lived in more than 15 countries. His favorite country is Japan. He has gone around the world twice, the first one in the 1999 by boat and the second one in hot air balloon 3 years ago. Some people might wonder how he has paid for these trips and adventures. Will Hack is an interpreter that has created and sold about 6 successful companies. Jack Forrest in a role model for high family and friends. Gracias por su atención.